What's up, everybody? So we're back out in the shop with another daily vlog, and in this episode we are going to have some fun. We are going to take and put an edge on the 5160 post-apocalyptic-ish knuckle dusting cleaver thing, and then we are going to go ahead and slice some stuff, chop some stuff, punch some stuff. It's going to be fun. Hopefully y'all are excited about this one. Let's go ahead, get to sharpening. We're going to do a very simple edge on this. We're going to use a 220 grit belt on the 2x72. And then a 1000 grit belt on the 1x30, and then a leather strap. That's literally all we're going to do for the edge on this. Nice and easy, nice and simple. Let's go ahead, let's jump into it, and let's get to cutting. Paper towel roll. It's windy, so I'm gonna try and do this in between the wind blowing. Say that works. Let's go one more time on this. Whoop. We got this. Let's see if the wind will stop for a second. So that's always fun. Now, let's do a water bottle. Water bottle ones are always fun. So let's try squash. That works. So I would say it's not exactly decapitating long, but that would work. Let's go with the knuckle guard. Oh, that is so much fun. Fruit Ninja. One more. So let's go melon this time. Let's see. I think that'll crack a skull open. That is awesome. Let's finish that one out. Now it's time for some edge retention and to see how this feels after you chop with it for a little bit. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Alright, so even after the chopping and everything, this thing is so sharp. Like, that is just crazy. Like, the 5160 knives and the wakizashis that I made, the swords, everything that I've done with 5160 has just surprised me every single time. Cut through wood like that, still razor sharp. You just can't be upset with that. The edge retention's awesome. It looks awesome. And now, some of y'all might be thinking with the texture that's on the handle right here, that maybe that right there would have gave me some hot spots when chopping into the wood, but no, it was absolutely comfortable. You know, super confident holding it and everything because you got a great grip on there, but no hot spots. Felt great the whole entire time chopping through it, and I love this knife. It is absolutely awesome. It looks awesome, feels awesome. It works exactly like I wanted it to, and heck, even a little bit above that. So I'm happy about this. Hopefully y'all had fun with the whole, smashing and chopping. Now, one of the things is, if you're gonna do the whole, chopping up stuff like that, just be careful whenever you're doing it. Don't end up hurting yourself. There was a moment where I was holding one of the watermelon style things, just chopping it like this. You wanna make sure that if you're gonna do that, that you're not swinging at your hand, because you could end up cutting through that and slicing into your hand. So just be careful if you're gonna do stuff like that. It's all fun and games until you slice a finger off. But this was absolutely awesome. Now, one of the things that we need to do now is get a leather sheath made for this. I'm not going to be doing a Kydex sheath for it. I want to try another all leather sheath. This is the build that we're going to be doing that on. So we're going to try that out. Now, I don't know exactly whenever that video is going to come out, because I still have to do some planning to actually be able to set the sheath up how I want it. I'm still new to leatherworking and everything like that, so I want to make sure that I have a plan going into it, and that's what we're going to do. But tomorrow, y'all get to watch me do the whole handle shaping on the 5160 buoy, the big old buoy. We're going to be working on that, so hopefully y'all are excited about that. Be on the lookout for it. Guys, if y'all would, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to the channel. Y'all have an amazing day. Y'all stay safe out there, and I will catch y'all tomorrow.